You're just 4 clicks away from getting your affiliate link in front of 900 million buyers. All you need to do is add your affiliate ID once. Click the traffic button. Then plug your affiliate links into a traffic goldmine with over 900 million buyers. So you can start earning commissions from Clickbank, JVZoo and Warrior Plus. By plugging our most profitable affiliate campaigns of 2022 into an unlimited pool of 900 million buyers in as little as 90 seconds. So, are you in? Okay, great. Now here's what this is all about. Presenting Commission Creator, a brand new software app that's the world's first done-for-you affiliate suite, with the affiliate marketing and buyer traffic, both done for you, in one cloud-based app. Even if you're brand new, don't have a list, and even if you don't have a website, you don't need one because everything from A to Z is done for you. Step 1. Enter your affiliate link first, log in to the cloud-based software and choose the affiliate program you want to profit with. We've preloaded all our most profitable campaigns, and they're just 1 click away. Just click once, and you've honed in on a $100 per day affiliate program. I know. I make it sound so simple, but remember, as an elite super affiliate, I know what sells. That's why I've personally hand-selected every top offer into the app to maximize your profits. That's click 1. Step 2. Create your mini site. Next, create your mini site. This is the page that will host our affiliate links. I call it a mini site, but it's really just one page containing our affiliate link and a few bonuses. This is all created and hosted for you. All we need is your affiliate link. So don't worry, you don't need to worry about content or traffic. Because I've preloaded, done for you content for every affiliate program. So enter your affiliate link and click the button to launch your site. And, just like that, our incredible software has built an entire website for you around your affiliate program. Filled with content, bonuses, headline, call to action, video, and of course your affiliate link. To pay a top marketer like me to create your campaign would cost $5,000 or more. But they're all preloaded into this powerful cloud-based app, with dozens of done-for-you campaigns, just a click away. Step 3. Click to get buyer traffic. Now for the fun part, getting traffic. This is normally the hardest part. But with Commission Creator, all you need to do is tweak my template to share your site on one of the world's biggest, yet little-known, traffic sources. A site with over 900 million buyers. I can't wait to share this secret site with you in the members area. And to show you how easy it is to profit, once you know how. See, as a super affiliate, I've experimented with dozens of traffic methods. Some are free, but slow. Some are great, but expensive. Most are simply too hard, for even pro marketers like me. But, in 2022, I've found one specific place you will want to promote your affiliate links on. In total, this site gets over 900 million visitors a day. And all 900 million of these people are looking for the exact kind of products you'll be selling. Can you guess the traffic source? I can't wait to tell you. I bet you've used it, but you would never know that affiliates like me were using it to make commissions daily. Best of all, tapping into this traffic source is child's play. Just tweak my templates and watch as the software converts the sudden stream of targeted traffic into buyers. Then repeat it for an unlimited number of affiliate programs. It's the combination of my 900 million traffic source with my $100 a day hand-selected affiliate programs. That makes my one-stop software app so powerful. Literally everything you need to start making daily commissions is done for you. From niche selection to choosing the affiliate program. From creating your website to getting the traffic. It's all taken care of. So just to recap. Step 1. Choose your affiliate program with your affiliate link. Step 2. Tweak the website mini page template. Step 3. Plug into 900 million buyers. Ellipsis. With my new app, you never need to write a thing. There's no design or video creation. You don't need to build a list, or do any SEO. In fact, all you need to do, to create a new affiliate campaign, is click a few buttons. My new affiliate traffic software platform does the rest. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, and you'll be getting traffic from 900 million buyers. Can you imagine the traffic potential when you start to ramp this up? Now, this opportunity is brand new and underexploited. It's exploited automatically with my software. And, if you're still seeing this video, you can still get my software app, now. But you need to take action right away, right this second. Because, with thousands of people hitting this page, this has to be a limited offer. This is your chance to skip the learning curve, in one move. So be sure to grab it with both hands. The smart marketers know that traffic is what you need. They know that being first mover on a 900 million buyer goldmine is the edge everyone craves. But this opportunity won't be around for more than a few days. In fact, we are going to increase the price every single hour. And then, at the end of the week, the price will jump to a recurring monthly price. But you can get in at the ground floor, at a tiny one-time fee. You'll get instant access to the easiest affiliate traffic app on the planet. And unlike other apps, Commission Creator sets you up within seconds. Just this one tool does everything you need to make money online with no monthly fees. Just imagine, unlimited affiliate campaigns, unlimited buyer traffic, unlimited buyers, unlimited commissions. It's all here, at a price that's practically a steal. But only if you act now. So, are you ready to get started? Okay, great. To claim your one-time purchase discount, and to see how Commission Creator changes everything, click the button below for instant access. You're only one click away from unlocking the power of buyer traffic, with the power of my done-for-you affiliate app. The first step is to click on the order button below. It's risk-free.